Protectors of the Universe, welcome back to another unboxing video. I got something in the mail. I think I just gotta rip this. Well, I should use my box cutter. Make it a lot easier on me. Shit. Okay. Paper. Oh, nice. A little bit of a duster. A business card. Ooh! I know what this is. A magnetic mat. Just stick that right here. And here's the toolkit. I got my future. Go right here. A SIM ejection tool plus a suction cup. I don't need that. I got a suction cup. Wine nose tweezers. Some sort of drill bit. Another one of these things. I think it's like a bit of a key or something. No, it can't be. Screwdriver. And we got some pry tools. I'm building my future business right now. I'm gonna put this thing back on the wide-nosed tweezers. And suction cup back in place. On the other side, we got drill bits. Oh, guitar picks. A magnetic holder. Security Torx screws by the looks of it. Phillips head. Torx. Half head. Pentalope. Y screws. The octagon type ones. Ooh, tri-points. Phillips head 2. A few of these weird ass hole ones. Okay. And my mat goes on top like this. So this here is a mobile repair toolkit. The reason I got this, hold on. Is so I can attempt to repair this phone right here. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Because right now it's kind of giving me an issue where sometimes the touch won't respond. And I have to put pressure on the screen just to get it to respond. And the headphone jack is kind of jank. And the fingerprint / side key is also a bit janky. This box I'll keep. Because I want to keep dust off it. There we go. So if you enjoyed this unboxing of my mobile repair kit, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. Peace out, protectors of the universe.